In this video, I will show you on how to back up your Infinix phone to Infinix Cloud in order not to lose any data on your Infinix Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to click on your search bar right here and type in settings. Then click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to click on this cloud right here. Click on use Infinix Cloud. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Infinix Cloud right here. It's going to take you right here. Then at this point right here, first thing for, make sure you click on backup and recovery. Then this is taking you right here. Next thing you need to do is to turn on this particular button right here. It's that simple. Your data will be automatically backed up every 7 days with your device charged, connected to a Wi-Fi network and screen lock. So automatically you are getting backup in the background with this particular setting. Then go back. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on contact right here. Then make sure you turn on this particular button. Then come down below right here, click on synchronize. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to back up your Infinix Android phone into Infinix Cloud. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Infinix phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.